Respected judges, esteemed teachers, honorable listeners, and my fellow participants, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today, the topic for which I am standing here in front of you people is importance of artificial intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, today we stand at the threshold of a revolution. A revolution that will transform the way we live, work, and interact with each other. The fourth industrial revolution is here, and it's being driven by the power of artificial intelligence. Imagine having a personal health assistant that can analyze your medical history, diagnose disease, and provide personalized treatment plans. Imagine a world where machine can think, learn, and adapt like human. A world where diseases are diagnosed and cured with precision, where cities are sustainable and smart, and where businesses are run with unparalleled efficiency. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality that AI is creating, and it's happening now, from healthcare to finance, education to transportation. AI is the game changer that's set to transform every industrial aspect of our lives. But what does this mean for us? How will AI impact our jobs, our relationship, and our very existence? We will explore the incredible world of AI, its incredible potential, and the incredible impact it's going to have on our lives. We will delve into the benefit of AI, from improving healthcare outcomes to enhancing customer experiences, and from optimizing business operation to driving innovation. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing patient care. Imagine having a personal health assistant that can analyze your medical history, diagnose disease, and provide personalized treatment plans. AI-powered diagnostic tool can detect disease like cancer, diabetic, and retinopathy with high accuracy, enabling early intervention and treatment. AI-powered chatbots are already helping patients with routine queries, freeing up doctors to focus on complex cases. In business, AI is enhancing customer experiences and optimizing operation. AI-powered virtual assistants are changing the way customers interact with companies, providing 24/7 support and personalized recommendation. AI-driven predictive analytics are helping business forecast demand, manage inventory, and optimize supply chain. In education, AI-powered adaptive learning systems are tailoring education to individual students' needs, abilities, and learning styles. AI-driven virtual learning platforms are already helping students. In transportation, AI is revolutionizing mobility, and safety. Self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic dream. They are a reality that AI is creating, and that's being tested and deployed today. AI-powered traffic management systems are optimizing traffic flow, reducing congestion, and improving safety. But AI also raises important questions about ethics, accountability, and transparency. How do we ensure that AI systems are fair, unbiased, and transparent? How do we address the risk of job displacement and cybersecurity threats? These are complex challenges that require a multidisciplinary approach involving government, industries, academia, and civil society. We need to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, not just select a few. We need to develop AI systems that are explainable, auditable, and accountable. And we need to invest in education and retraining programs that prepare workers for the AI economy. In Pakistan, AI isn't a luxury, it's a lifeline. With the young tech-hungry population, and a digital economy on the rise. AI can turbocharge growth, optimizing agriculture to feed million, powering e-governance to cut bureaucracy, and fueling startup to create jobs. In healthcare, AI can bridge gaps in rural access. In education, personalized learning for 14 million students. For a country facing resource constraints, AI offers efficiency and a leap into the future. The challenge, embracing it boldly, investing in skills and infrastructure. Pakistan tomorrow hinges on harnessing this silent revolution today. But as we marvel at AI's ascent, shadow loom large. Unchecked, it deepens inequality, displaces jobs, weaponizes surveillance, and plunges with catastrophic recklessness. Logarithm inherit or biases data become a tool of control, and the machine black boxes mock accountability, and from facial recognition policing marginalized autonomous drones deciding who lives. AI powers risk amplifying the darkest corner of humanity. The question isn't if AI will reshape us, it's who control the blueprint. Without ethics, transparency, and global safeguard, this miracle could become our undoing. The future isn't AI, it's all to shape. We stand at the threshold of a new era. One thing is certain: AI is not a distant dream, it's our reality. From self-driving cars to AI doctors diagnosing disease, the transformation is unfolding. But what does this mean for Pakistan and for the world? The global promise of AI. By 2030, AI could add 15.7 trillion to the global economy. Its power breakthrough. Early cancer detection, climate modeling, and disaster prediction. China, the US, and Europe will lead the rest. But what about us? In Pakistan, 70% of our population is under 30. We have a demographic divide, not a burden. AI can empower this youth, automating farms, optimizing energy grids, and creating digital jobs. Imagine AI tutor bridging education gaps in rural schools or chatbots streamlining government services. The challenge we must face: job displacement. Will AI replace worker or upskill them? Ethical void. Who got privacy? Who stopped bias? Dependency. Will we bet or unpick are important? Pakistan path is not pre-written. Without investment as STEM, digital infrastructure and data governance, we risk falling behind. But with courage, we can leapfrog. Look at rural India's AI apps for farmer or Estonia. Digital coins. The blueprint exists. A call to action. Government fund AI research, protect data, train our youth. Educator, teach loading, ethics, creativity, not just rote learning. Youth, learn, innovate, and lead fearlessly. The future isn't given, it's earned. This isn't just about technology, it's about dignity, opportunity, and justice. AI can uplift the marginalized if we design it to. The 20th century asked, will machine replace us? The 21st asked, will we harness them to uplift humanity? Pakistan answered, we must choose progress, not fear. Innovation, not isolation. Inclusion, not exclusion. The clock tick The word move. Let's write our chapter bold, ethical, and bright. Thank you.